Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are here at Italian BonsaiDream and this is the Intensive 2023. We have people from all over the world, lot of nationality, lot of people coming here, flying in Italy, in Feltre, to be part of this summer intensive. So I want to show you some of the guys working and then their impression about our intensive class. Hello, John. Why you will invite the people to participate to the intensive class in Italy here at Bonsai Dream?
I think the reason I came myself is because I wanted to become better, and I think Mauro. I know him from the videos, and I've spoken to him, and I think he's the one that will be able to lift the level of my bonsai personally. So I got in touch with him, and I came also last year and again this year, and I think he's a really good teacher, and I would recommend people to come and join the intensive to to make the bonsai level in the world better in general.
Bene. Vladimir is already three time you coming at the intensive. How is your feeling about the learning you have had here with us?
Hi guys, so my name is Vladimir Jovan. I came from Slovakia and I try to do bonsai on highest possible level, and that's why I came to study with Mauro, because he is technically one of the best, and that's why I try to come every 6 months to get my.
Hello, Michelle. I would like to ask you how you found the information about the intensive class and how is the class according to your expectations?
Okay, hi. So my name is Michel Lanniker. I'm from Switzerland. I was actually looking for a more advanced bonsai course because I'm doing bonsai since a while, but never had really detailed teaching. I saw some videos on YouTube from Mauro, and then I went on his website and just dropped him an email, and received very quickly a response, and it was able to manage to come this summer. And I have to say that it's a beautiful place, and it's a wonderful teaching with great people, a lot of very, very good experiences, a lot of exchanges, a lot of talking, and I have to say Mauro is a really good teacher. We really like it, and it's fantastic.
Hello, Fritz. So, how was your experience working the trees here at the intensive at Italian Bonsai Dream?
Hello, my name is Fritz Schäfer, aka the Bonsai Bro. I'm from Germany. You can also follow me on YouTube and Instagram, and I had a great experience here working with the trees. It's a great opportunity to work on more advanced trees, material you otherwise would never work on, you would never touch. And you can get really good insights, work on a lot of different materials. You do a lot of different techniques, and I really enjoyed that. It's not only wiring, we also discuss the trees very detailed, what can be done. You discuss all the options in the group, you exchange with other students, you share the knowledge with everyone, with Mauro, with other students. It's a really amazing experience. I've never worked on beautiful trees like this. And also the surrounding is beautiful, the place, the food, the group. So I have a really nice time here in Feldberg. During the intensive, I had the opportunity to work on this beautiful Austrian black pine Pinus nigra cascade bonsai. We had to do some cleaning and some refining. So first of all, we cut off all the old needles and the needles which were too long, because the tree was able to grow freely for a couple of seasons. So, and we cut the needles instead of plucking to make sure the tree doesn't lose that much of sap. Then we wired everything. That was really a challenge, because all the layers are on top of each other, so I could really get my wiring technique refined and down. Um, then we cleaned the dead wood, painted it, and set the branches, and we're really happy with the result. It's a beautiful cascade pine.
Hello, El. So you are part also of the group of the school I have in Chicago, Italian Bonsai Dream in Chicago. Why you decide to also come in Italy and do the intensive here?
Again, my name is Al from Chicago. The very reason why I came to Italy is that having been part of Mauro's class back in Chicago, I think this will give me the opportunity to refine more my skills, not only on the wiring or styling a tree, but most importantly, as a student, I'm trying to look forward of studying more on the horticultural part of bonsai as well.
This Scots pine was assigned to me to work on. Obviously, at the beginning of the workshop of this specific species, it wasn't overgrown. So we have to consider a lot of factors, most especially the health of the tree. We just have to spread out the pads in order for the leaves to have an adequate sunlight for them to have a better my experience with the intensive workshop with the Italian Bonsai Dream has always been a tremendous, because since the beginning I was assigned some trees that I would never imagine I'll be working them in my own garden. So not just the trees as well, the people that I have met from different parts of the world, it's really a very, very wonderful experience. It's not just expanding my bonsai knowledge and skills, but also my bonsai family in the world.
Hello, Veer. Good morning. So you came all the way from India, and you work tropical over there, and then you decide to come over in Italy in the mountain to work conifer. Why?
Yeah, so I'm from India, and there we have mostly tropical trees. But I really wanted to learn about junipers because in India we have a lot of junipers, and I found the intensive to be the best workshop where I can learn. And I have been seeing most of Mauro's work on internet, and I've seen it live also. So I thought you will be the best person to teach us. And the good thing when I come over here is, apart from just learning about junipers, I learn a lot of techniques which are very, very important and which I can take back home and I can use it on my tropical trees, because techniques are for every tree. Whereas when you do juniper, it is only juniper. But the techniques that you use, like for guy wiring, for bending, these kind of techniques, we can also use it on some of our tropical trees. So I'm really benefiting a lot from this workshop, and I'm so thankful to you, Mauro, for teaching me so much and making me so confident in going further in the advanced bonsai. Thank you so much. This is a Sabina juniper, and it is a Yamadori. And I have come here to learn juniper. I'm a beginner, and I have done two junipers before this, and this is my third juniper. And Mauro has given me this to style it. So the first thing I did was I cleaned the dead wood, and I've applied lime sulfur to it. And after that, we cleaned up the branches, and then I wired the tree It took me almost 3 days to wire the tree. And then after that, we had styled the whole juniper and we had repotted it today. And this is the final outcome of what we have done for the past 4 days.
So Pratap, good morning. You coming from Nepal all the way, and why you decide to come in Italy?
नमस्ते म चाहिँ नेपालबाट बोन्साई क्लास बोन्साई आर्ट सिक्नको लागि चाहिँ अहिले यहाँ इटली मेरो मास्टर माउरो स्टेभेन्जरले चाहिँ नेपालमा बोन्साईको विकास होस् अनि त्यसपछि मेरो जुन बोन्साईको स्किलहरू चाहिँ डेभलप गर्नको लागि चाहिँ मलाई यहाँ इन्भाइट गर्नुभएको छ होइन नेपालमा मैले 6 वर्ष अगाडि बोन्साई कोर्स सुरुवात गरेको यो मैले 6 वर्ष सुरुवात भइसकेको छ अनि मलाई अझ धेरै मेरो स्किलहरू चाहिँ अझ धेरै धेरै डेभलपमेन्ट गर्नुपर्ने थियो अनि मास्टरले मलाई धेरै धेरै हेल्प गर्नुभएको छ मलाई यहाँ आइसकेपछि एकदम धेरै खुसी छु यहाँको अब नेपालमा त बोन्साई भनेको अलिकति धेरै मान्छेलाई थाहा छैन यहाँ आइसकेपछि बोन्साईको बारेमा के रहेछ त भन्ने कुराहरू चाहिँ बुझ्दै गएँ एकदम खुसी छु मास्टर नमस्ते my name is Pratap Keshi from Nepal Gorkha Bonsai I'm very happy today I'm here in Italy to learn bonsai course from our great master Mauro Stevenzers. Thank you so much everyone who support me to bring me to Italy for intensive bonsai intensive class 2023. Thank you so much Master Mauro Stevenzer, Bonsai Bileno and everyone who helped me to bring in Italy. I learned many things from here. I go to September, then I start bonsai class in Nepal. Thank you so much everyone. Namaste, ciao.
नमस्ते माई नेम इज प्रताप केसी अनि म नेपालबाट म चाहिँ अहिले इटालियन बोन्साई ड्रिममा चाहिँ इटालियन बोन्साई ड्रिमको इन्टेन्सिभ क्लासमा एटेन्ड भएको छु होइन अनि हामीले चाहिँ यो जुन ब्ल्याक पेन देखिराख्नु भएको छ यो पाइनमा चाहिँ फर्स्ट वर्क भनेको यसको जति पनि डेड भएको फलिएजहरू छ लिभहरू अनि त्यसपछि डेड ब्रान्चेसहरू तिनीहरू रिमुभ गरियो अनि त्यसपछि गएर चाहिँ वायर चाहिँ अब बोन्साईको फिल्डमा चाहिँ वायर टेक्निक एकदम धेरै महत्त्वपूर्ण हुन्छ अनि त्यसपछि यसमा चाहिँ प्रत्येक ब्रान्च अनुसार चाहिँ वायरहरू सिलेक्सन गर्न जान्नुपर्ने हुन्छ ब्रान्च अनुसार डिफ्रेन्ट वायरहरू लाग्छ होइन हामी अब जब हामी ट्रीको ब्रान्चहरू क्लिन गरिसकेपछि चाहिँ 45 डिग्री एङ्गलमा ब्रान्चमा वायर गऱ्यो भने चाहिँ बेन्ड गर्न सजिलो हुन्छ अनि त्यसपछि कुनै टाइममा चाहिँ हामी त्यसलाई अब यदि बेन्ड भएन भने पनि त्यसलाई वायरबाट बाँधेर अनि त्यसलाई एउटा राम्रो जुन ब्यालेन्समा ल्याउन सकिन्छ होइन बाँधेर गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ अनि त्यही अब राम्रो तरिकाले वायरहरू गर्दैछ हजुरहरू पनि बोन्साईमा इन्ट्रेस्ट हुनुहुन्छ भने चाहिँ जतिजना नेपालमा जतिजनाले हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ सबैजनाले इटालियन बोन्साई ड्रिम सपोर्ट गर्नु होला होइन एकदम धेरै म यहाँ आएर चाहिँ एकदम धेरै खुसी छु काम गर्न पाउँदाखेरि यहाँबाट धेरै कुराहरू सिकिरहेको छु होइन अझै टाइम छ अझै सिक्दै जानेछु.
So this tree was assigned to us 2 days ago. It is an Austrian black pine. It started as an overgrown tree. So what we did was basically remove the old needles using sharp scissors in order to avoid much sap from the tree. Obviously, this tree has been styled in the past. So what we just did is we did a detailed and refined wiring in order for us to spread out the branches. When it comes to the style, nothing has been changed. Basically, the branches are there. We just did some minimal anchoring of the branches, and we just follow what was the previous design, and this is the product of what we have done in the past 2 days. First branch, back branch, second branch, and the apex.
So, as a beginner in bonsai, what is your feeling about the skills you are learning in these days?
Hello, I'm Martin from Denmark. I am a beginner and I am here to learn the basic stuff and work on trees with Mauro Stemberger. And it's been an amazing experience with Mauro, his family, all the guys here. And I really, will tell all you guys to come. It's a really good experience.
Are you thinking already to come back to the intensive in the future?
Yes, actually, I already asked you to come because it's been a really good experience. I learned a lot and I really enjoyed being here.
with you, the people, your family, and everything. So yeah, I will definitely come back for sure.
You are doing bonsai so many years, Judy. What's the biggest learning you got from this intensive class in Italy?
I was able to work with beautiful trees and many people from all over the world. I have been doing bonsai since 2011, and I have been working with Mauro since 2015. I am in his school in Chicago. I'm from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, USA, and working on wiring, trying to perfect wiring, and just learning how to style trees, magnificent trees that I don't always have the option of working on back home. This is a carpinus. I need to practice wiring. This gave me an opportunity because it has hundreds of branches. And Mauro said I did a decent job, which was wonderful.
It was great job.
A great job.
So, you as a beginner, when you started doing bonsai and how you found all the information to come here at the intensive class?
Okay. Hi, I'm Andrea. Basically started 6 months ago, no more than this. Looking for some gardening at the beginning and then exploring the bonsai world. And searching in the internet, in YouTube and whatever, I found out that there is this group, this course. It was super perfect for me. I would like to have a good base for my bonsai journey, and I think I found it.
Hello, guys. Tell us a little bit about the group in Rome and the developing of bonsai in your region.
Noi abbiamo un gruppo a Roma e facciamo workshop con Mauro circa 2 volte l'anno. Quindi in quest'anno siamo venuti qua su a Feltri e Marco ha già avuto diverse esperienze e per me è la prima volta che vengo qua a Roma.
Diversi anni che vengo qui da Mauro, ogni anno c'è un approccio con tecniche nuove sempre più interessanti. Quest'anno abbiamo portato un silvestre che ho preso proprio qui dalla collezione di Mauro. Ok, quest'anno quindi faremo l'8º workshop con Mauro Stemberger a Roma, si farà il 7 e l'8 ottobre, quindi tra un paio di mesi. Potete prendere tranquillamente da me le informazioni, mancinimarco74@gmail.com. Questo è un ginepro itogavo che ho acquistato 2 anni fa, l'ho soltanto coltivato per questi 2 anni, fino a qui all'intensive con Mauro Stemberger, dove l'abbiamo totalmente filato e impostato. Nel prossimo fine inverno penserò a fare un rinvaso nello stesso vaso per ricoltivarlo per altri 2 anni e poi mettere in un vaso definitivo.
The intensive class is not only about working bonsai, but it is also about building a relationship with different people from different culture, from different part of the world. How is your input on that?
That's the most important thing of leaving the intensive bonsai here in Feltre, because bonsai, as all the arts, is not only a way of learning technique, and Mauro on this is wonderful, but also connecting with other people, other culture, other type of plants. Please, come.
Hey, I'm Andy Newman. I'm from Germany, and I came to Mauro's intensive course just to learn about wiring and styling trees. And I was able to style this juniper, and I had a lot of fun and a good time getting all branches into the right position and wiring all the entire tree.
Ciao, sono Martina, ho 12 anni, ho iniziato quest'anno il corso intensivo di Mauro Stemberger. Questa è stata un'esperienza positiva e devo dire che il bonsai è per tutti.
Italian BonsaiDream, the last survivor.
Yeah!